Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to 8 Story English Podcast. Here, we tell simple stories in slow English. You can listen anywhere, at home, at work, or before sleep. Take a deep breath. Let's begin. Sam wakes up early. The room is quiet. Soft morning light enters through the curtains. He lies in bed for a moment. He listens to the sound of the air conditioner. It is working well. Sam sits up slowly. He feels rested. He looks at the clock on his phone. 7:05 a.m. Breakfast starts at 7. He smiles. He walks to the bathroom. He turns on the light. The bathroom looks clean and bright. There are 2 small towels near the sink. There is 1 large towel on the rack. Sam looks at them carefully. He pauses. "I think I need more towels," Sam says. He plans to take a long shower. He wants 1 extra large towel. He also wants another small towel. He opens the cabinet under the sink. There are no extra towels inside. He checks the closet. There are extra pillows, there is an iron, but there are no towels. Sam stands still for a moment. "Okay," Sam says. "I will call reception." Sam walks back to the bedroom. He picks up the phone on the desk. He looks at the card near the phone. It says, "Reception, dial 0." Sam presses the number. The phone rings once. "Reception," Maria says. "Good morning," Sam says. "Good morning, Mr. Miller," Maria says. "How can I help you?" "I have a small request," Sam says. "Yes?" Maria asks. "Can I have some extra towels?" Sam asks. "Of course," Maria says. "How many towels do you need?" Maria asks. "I need 1 large towel," Sam says, "and 1 small towel." "Room 2114, correct?" Maria asks. "Yes, that is correct," Sam says. "Would you like them now?" Maria asks. "Yes, please," Sam says. "I will take a shower soon." "No problem," Maria says. "We will send them in 5 minutes." "Is there any extra charge?" Sam asks. "No," Maria says. "Towels are free." "Thank you," Sam says. "You are welcome," Maria says. Sam puts the phone down. He walks back to the bathroom. He turns on the shower. Warm water begins to flow. He checks the temperature. It feels comfortable. He looks at the mirror. Steam slowly appears on the glass. Sam turns off the shower again. "I will wait for the towels first," Sam says. He walks back to the bedroom. He looks at the clock on his phone. 7:10 a.m. He listens carefully. There is no knock yet. He sits on the chair near the desk. He looks at the 2 small towels near the sink again. "They are too small," Sam says. He stands up. He walks to the door. He opens it slightly. He looks down the hallway. The hallway is quiet. He closes the door again. After another minute, someone knocks. Knock, knock. Sam walks quickly to the door. "Who is it?" Sam asks. "Housekeeping," a woman says. "I have towels for room 214. "Yes, that is my room," Sam says. "One moment, please." He opens the door. A housekeeping staff member stands outside. She smiles politely. She holds 2 clean white towels. "Good morning," she says. "Good morning," Sam says. "Here is 1 large towel," she says, "and 1 small towel." "Thank you," Sam says. He looks at the towels carefully. "Excuse me," Sam says. "Yes?" she asks. "I asked for 1 large towel," Sam says, "and 1 small towel." "Yes," she says. "That is correct." Sam pauses for a moment. "I also need a bath mat," Sam says. "Oh," she says. "There is no bath mat in your room?" "No," Sam says. "I checked near the shower." "I am sorry," she says. "I will bring one right away." "Thank you," Sam says. "Do you need any extra pillows?" she asks. "No, thank you," Sam says. "Only the bath mat." "Okay," she says. "I will be back in 1 minute." She walks away slowly. Sam keeps the door open. He waits in the hallway. He looks at the carpet on the floor. It is clean and soft. After a short moment, she returns. She holds a clean bath mat. "Here you are," she says. "Thank you very much," Sam says. "You are welcome," she says. "Do you need anything else?" she asks. Sam thinks for a second. "Do you have extra shampoo?" Sam asks. "Yes," she says. "I can bring 1 more bottle." "That would be great," Sam says. "I will bring it now," she says. She walks away again. After a short moment, the housekeeping staff member returns. She is holding a small bottle of shampoo. "Here you are," she says. "Thank you," Sam says. He takes the bottle. "Do you need extra soap?" she asks. "No, thank you," Sam says. "This is enough." She looks at the bathroom for a moment. "Is everything working in the bathroom?" she asks. "Yes," Sam says. "The shower is good. The water is warm. That is good," she says. "If you need anything else, please call reception." "I will," Sam says. "Thank you for your help." "You are welcome," she says. She walks away slowly. Sam closes the door gently. He locks it. He carries the towels to the bathroom. He places the large towel near the shower. He places the small towel near the sink. He hangs the second towel on the rack. He puts the bath mat on the floor near the shower. He places the extra shampoo next to the sink. He steps back and looks around. Everything looks ready now. He turns on the shower again. Warm water fills the room with steam. He checks the temperature again. It feels comfortable. He adjusts it slightly. Now it feels perfect. After a few minutes, Sam turns off the shower. The bathroom is warm and quiet. He steps onto the bath mat. The floor feels dry and safe. That is better, Sam says. He dries himself slowly with the large towel. He dries his hair with the small towel. He hangs the wet towel carefully. He washes his face at the sink. He looks at himself in the mirror. He looks more awake now. He smiles slightly. He brushes his hair. He puts on clean clothes. He folds one extra towel and places it on the chair. He checks the time on his phone. 7:30 a.m. Breakfast is still open. He takes a bottle of water from the small fridge. He drinks slowly. He places the bottle back. He walks to the window. He opens the curtains fully. Morning light fills the room. Cars move slowly below. People walk toward work. The city feels active. Sam stands near the window for a moment. He watches the street below. The sky is bright now. The room feels fresh. The air is cool and comfortable. He closes the curtains halfway. He walks back to the desk. He picks up his key card. He puts his phone in his pocket. He checks the bathroom one more time. Everything is clean. Everything is in place. He turns off the bathroom light. He stands in the middle of the room. The room is quiet. He takes a slow breath. He opens the door. The hallway is calm. Sam steps outside. The door closes softly behind him. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, watch the next one here. This is 8 Story, Slow English for Real Life. See you in the next story.